Now, for those of us that are using microwave oven, we all know how highly convenient it is. I mean, it is simple and incredibly fast. However, many people believe that microwave creates harmful radiation and destroy healthy nutrients, which will make you to wonder if it is safe to use or not. And that is exactly what this video is all about. So sit back and enjoy. Basically, microwave oven is a kitchen appliance that we use to cook or warm food. It transforms electricity into electromagnetic waves called microwaves. It is these waves that stimulate the molecules in food, making them to vibrate and spin around. This is the process that turns the energy from the microwave into heat. A very good example will be rubbing your palms together. After a few seconds, you start feeling some heat, or you start feeling heat in your palms. That's the same way microwave oven works. Microwave oven produce electromagnetic radiation, and a lot of people find this very concerning due to radiation's negative connotation. However, the type of radiation that microwave oven produce, it is the type that is not associated with bombs and nuclear disaster, because it is a non-ionizing radiation, just like the radiation from a cell phone, but more stronger. And keep in mind that light is also electromagnetic radiation, so clearly it is not all radiation that is bad. Microwave oven have a metal sheet inside and a metal screen over the window that prevent the radiation from leaving the oven, so there shouldn't be any risk of harm. And to those of you who love to press your face against the microwave, just like the picture on the screen right now, watching your food spinning around inside, please don't do that. To be on a safer side, try to stay far away as much as you can when the microwave is in use. And also make sure your microwave is in a good condition at all time. If it is old or broken, or the door doesn't close properly, then you should consider to get a new one to be on a safer side. One thing we all should understand is that every form of cooking reduces nutritional value in food. The main contributing factors that affect nutrients in food are temperature, cooking timing, and method of cooking. Example, during boiling, water-soluble minerals like B and C vitamins, this nutrient might leak out of that food due to the cooking method. As far as microwave oven is concerned, the cooking timing are generally short and the temperature is regulatable, which means you can turn it high or low. Plus, the food is usually not boiled. For that reason, I personally think that microwave oven retain more nutrients than methods like boiling and frying. To further prove my point, there are reviews from the National Library of Medicine. In this review, microwaving doesn't reduce nutritional value more than other cooking methods. There is another review from the study done on 20 different vegetables. In this study, it was noted that microwaving and baking preserve antioxidants the best, while pressure cooking and boiling did the worst. Although one other study found out that 1 minute of microwaving garlic destroyed some of its cancer-fighting compound, while it took about 45 minutes in a conventional oven. Keep in mind that sometimes the type of food or nutrient matters. Here comes the most amazing part. What you're seeing right now on the screen is called cytomegalovirus. Please pardon me if I pronounce it wrongly. It's also known as CMV. It can also cause some kind of deformity in children. Interestingly, research has shown that microwaving breast milk has been found to be very effective in preventing this virus infection. Take note, not just breast milk, microwaved breast milk. That sounds interesting to me, honestly. Now, with few exceptions, I believe that microwave tend to preserve nutrients very well. Listening to everything that I've been saying, a lot of us might start thinking that microwave oven is not harmful, and this thinking might lead to misusing of this appliance. Remember, it uses electricity, and we all know that everything that use electricity are not always 100% safe. So please be careful with it. Guys, listen, this is very important, and it can cause you harm if neglected. Do not heat your food in a plastic container, because many plastic contains hormone disrupting compound, and it can cause harm. A very good example is bisphenol A, also known as BPA. It is a chemical compound primarily used in manufacturing various plastics. And this chemical compound has been linked to various conditions like cancer, thyroid disorder, and obesity. So when you are microwaving your food in a plastic container, it may leach this chemical compound into your food. For this reason, do not microwave your food in a plastic container unless it is labeled microwave safe. Take note, this precaution is not specifically for microwave only. Heating your food inside any plastic container is a bad idea, regardless of the cooking method. Microwave ovens are effective, safe, and highly convenient. There is no evidence that they are harmful. Even some evidence stated that they are more better than other cooking methods at preserving nutrients and preventing the formation of harmful compounds. But still, do not overheat or underheat your food. Do not stand too close to the microwave when it is in use. And lastly, do not heat your food inside a plastic container unless it is labeled safe to do so. So guys, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I'm sure this video was very informative to you. And if you have any question or contribution, please leave it at the comment section. And sharing this video will not be a bad idea, most especially to your friends and family, so that they can also partake of the useful information. And lastly, subscribe. Bye.